Good morning children, welcome to NCG Max. The question is given now, x plus 1 by x is equal to y, y plus 1 by y equal to z, z plus 1 by z equal to x. Then show that 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by y square plus 1 plus 1 by z square plus 1 is equal to how much? So those who are new to this channel, like this only Olympiad problems will be uploaded, logical, critical and tough problems. So if you like the video, subscribe the video so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So here the logic is here. So first of all, given I am writing given part x plus 1 by x is equal to y, y plus 1 by y is equal to z, z plus 1 by z is equal to x. Pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you guess how to do this problem? Any ideas? Otherwise you'll go to the problem adding all the three. So let it be 1, let it be 2, let it be 3. Adding 1, 2, 3. This is the main step here we are having. So watch until the end so that you can get the logic what is at the end. At the end you will get the answer and I will explain how you will get the answer in this. Y plus 1 by y plus z plus 1 by z is equal to x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z will get. So here x get cancel, y get cancel, z get cancel. So here you'll get 1 by x plus 1 by y, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. So here squaring and adding 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, squaring and adding them. So what will get here? X plus 1 by x whole square, y plus 1 by y whole square, z plus 1 by z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So what will get here? A plus b whole square formula here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So here also x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, z square cancel. What will get here? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square plus 6 equal to 0. So you can write it as 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to minus 6. So let it be 4, let it be 5. Now we are multiplying, okay, square of 4, squaring the fourth one, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0, squaring on both sides. What will get? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square plus 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y, 1 by y into 1 by z, 1 by z into 1 by x is equal to 0. So here this value is minus 6 from 5. Minus 6 plus 2 into 1 by xy plus 1 by yz 1 by zx is equal to 0. So 2 into 1 by xy 1 by yz 1 by zx is equal to 6. 1 by xy 1 by yz plus 1 by zx is equal to 3. So this is the answer. So you may think what given answer it is not matching with the question. So the question is given 1 by x square 1 by y square plus 1 by z square plus 1. So here I told 1 by xy plus 1 by yz plus 1 by zx equal to 3. So here see the hint, that's why I told to watch up to the end. So here first one I will tell, I will get the clarity. X plus 1 by x is equal to y. If you take LCM, x square plus 1 is equal to xy. So here you can write 1 by x square plus 1. So if you take the second one, y plus 1 by y is equal to z. So here what will get, y square plus 1 is equal to yz. So in the place of yz you can write y square plus 1. So in the same way z plus 1 by z is equal to x given. Z square plus 1 is equal to zx. So in the place of zx you can write 1 by z square plus 1. So the answer is 3. This is only the logic. That's why I told to watch up to the end. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.